Hey there, ever wondered how to pay your Visa card bill at a bank branch? It's simpler than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a quick reminder, this video will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, gather what you need before heading out. You'll want your Visa card, a valid ID like your driver's license or passport, and the exact amount you're paying, either in cash or a check. Double-check your card statement to know how much you owe and avoid any surprises. Next, head to your bank's nearest branch. If you're not sure where it is, use your bank's app or website to find the location. Once you're there, look for the queue or counter for bill payments or credit card services. Pro tip: go during off-peak hours to skip long lines. When it's your turn, approach the teller and clearly state that you're there to pay your Visa card bill. They'll ask for your card details, so hand over your Visa card and ID for verification. Be prepared to provide any additional information, like your account number, to make the process smooth. Now, for the payment itself, if you're paying with cash, count it out accurately. If it's a check, make sure it's made out to the bank or as instructed. The teller will process the payment, update your account, and give you a receipt. Always take that receipt. It's your proof of payment. One more thing. If you run into any issues, like a discrepancy in the amount, politely ask the teller to double-check. Most banks have customer service reps on hand to help. And remember, paying at the branch might take a couple of days to reflect on your account, so keep an eye on your statements. There you have it. Paying your Visa card at a bank branch is straightforward and gives you that personal touch. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.